Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, the right now market is standing at 1.0172. This is the current market price while I am shooting the video. And my dear friends, I would like to take you to the economic calendar because we have few events coming up for Euro. Those are important. First of all, employment change after 4 hours 34 minutes, and then we have FOMC meetings also coming up. So I think these two events will bring some volatility, some craziness to the Euro pair. So please be careful during these events. Now let's have a look at the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index, and frankly, after this strong up move on DXY, okay, right now I'm confused about the next move here, because if we just observe the last 3-4 candles, then we can see that right now there is no direction in the market. DXY is more or less flat, constantly forming dojis and spinning tops in the market. Dojis and spinning tops signify indecision in the market. So in simple words, right now DXY is in indecision mode. So as a result, do not consider blindly that DXY will be going up from here, DXY will be going down from here. This is a flag pattern, market will be going up from here. No. Because see, FOMC meetings coming up, so FOMC will definitely bring some volatility. Till then market may remain flat. Okay, till then market may remain flat. You must be very careful during the FOMC meetings. And if you see that during the day, during the Asian session and European session, there is not movement in the market, in that case just wait and watch. You don't need to trade all the time, you don't need to be in trade all the time. A trader only trades when the opportunity is right. Be a trader, not a gambler. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro Dollar. Here is our beloved Euro USD. So this is the current market price here. So during the day, okay, listen to me carefully. If during the day, if you see market coming down to this level again, 1.0123, if you see market coming down to this level again, do not take any sell position, because this is a support zone on the chart of Euro USD. If you observe the chart of Euro Dollar here, then you can see that overall Euro USD may be in downtrend, maybe the market is bearish, but right now Euro USD is sideways, and this is a support zone in the market. Okay, are you getting my point? This is a support zone in the market. So yes, during the European session or under normal circumstances, if there is no huge event like FOMC or any craziness, okay, bring to the market, okay, during normal circumstances we can expect the market to take support around this level and market bouncing from this level. Okay, so if market bounces, if market reaches this level again, observe the market first. If you see that price is being rejected from below, market is forming hammer kind of a pattern, or any good price rejection from below will give you the confirmation that yes, market has the intention of taking support around this level and you can go for a buy position. And on the other hand, let's say during the FOMC, if you see that market has crossed this particular support here, 1.0100, with a big red candle, it means that sellers are dominating the market again. Sellers are the dominant pressure in the market, and in that case you can consider a sell position below this level as well. 1.0100, below this level you can consider sell position. If you see that the volume is good enough, the number of sellers is high, in that case you can consider a sell position. Otherwise, do not take any sell position in this range, because this is the support zone. Though market is not showing any good support right now, though market does not have the strength also to take the market up, but still do not go for a sell at the support. Okay, that will be crazy. Okay. I think that we can go for a buy again. At least we can expect a profit of 20-30 pips, isn't it? Okay. So this is the scenario. Okay, if market starts coming down, and on the other hand, if market starts going up, then obviously this is the first resistance for us. But during the employment news or during the FOMC, even this first resistance will not be able to hold the market, so it's better to avoid it. It will be a high risk sell level. We are considering this level because of Fibonacci 23.6%, as well as we can see that the red line, the 200 moving average, is also coming down. So if we combine both the factors here, then yes, without news there is a possibility that market will be reversing from this level. But if there is news in the market and market forms a big green candle, obviously this level will not be able to reverse the market. Okay, because this level is not that strong also. Okay. The second resistance is at 1.02. This is the second resistance for the market. Again, we have derived the second resistance from the Fibonacci 38.2%. Again, this is also not a very strong level in case of a news market. Okay, in case of a news market, this level will not work. But the 50% retracement level may have the potential to reverse the market. 1.0240 to 1.0250. This is the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. In case market starts flying, then yes, you can expect the market to reverse from this level onwards. Okay, so if market reverses from this particular level here, we can consider a sell position. In case of a break in, if market starts going up also from here, I'm not suggesting any buy position because of multiple resistances, and overall the chart is bearish. And as we all know that Europe is under pressure, the European continent, because of drought, severe drought and energy crisis. So overall the picture is not much positive for euro. So as a result, it is better, at least personally, I'll be looking for selling opportunities only. And whatever you do, follow proper risk management. My analysis can be wrong as well. Please do your own calculation and do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Hopefully I've understood. So if you liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.